Welcome back sa ating munting YouTube channel. If bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like and subscribe dahil nag-upload po ako dito ng mga mathematics tutorial. For today's video, I'll talk about finding equation of a parabola. So there are two forms under parabola. We have vertex form and standard form. Vertex form can be written as y equals a, the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. Then we have another form, standard form. It can be written as y equals a x squared plus bx plus c. In order for you to understand better our discussion, let's have an example or an illustration of an equation of a parabola. So these are the possible graph of a parabola. First, we have opens upward if p is greater than 0. So yung mga positive values lang. So in a way, you can actually substitute p of any letter of the English alphabet, just like A or C. So on the right side, we have opens downward. P is less than 0. When you say less than 0, that is negative values. Negative 1, negative 2. Kapag negative naman si P. So what is the possible graph? So opens downward. So you have already a knowledge of what is the behavior of the graph. We have the third graph, opens to the right. If p is greater than 0, when say greater than 0, we have mga positive numbers. And to the right side, we have opens to the left, where p is less than 0. When say less than 0, mga negative numbers. Okay? Meron ba akong separate video how to graph it properly? So you can visit my playlist of Precalculus so that you have a knowledge on how to graph it. And this time, we will focus only on converting standard form to vertex form and vice versa. So, shall we say, example number 1 can be written as y equals x squared minus 2x minus 1. As we all know that this is a standard form and we'll convert it into vertex form. Okay? Our goal is convert to vertex form, but we need to follow 3 steps to solve this one. Number 1, group the variables. Number 2, use completing the square. Then 3, simplify it. Then we'll follow group the variables. So lagyan nyo ng open and close parentheses. We have x squared minus 2x minus 1 in order to group the variables. Afterwards, papalitan nyo ng bracket yung open and close parentheses because we will use completing the square. So write x squared minus 2x. So look at the second term. We have minus 2x. So divide that number by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2. We have negative 1. Squared it. Negative 1 squared equals 1. Therefore, write 1 inside the bracket. Then write also minus 1 to the outside of the bracket. So magiging x squared minus 2x plus 1, then minus 1 minus 1. Understood? So simplify first the values inside the brackets before the values outside. So magiging y equals the quantity of the first variable or the common variable. We have x. Write x, then copy the operation minus, then what is the square root of 1? We have 1. So write 1, then write squared. What is negative 1 minus 1? That is equals to negative 2. Why is it? Because you are subtracting the same sign. All you have to do is copy the sign and add the two numbers. 1 plus 1. We are getting 2. Okay? Understood. In order for you to understand better, let's have another example. We have from vertex to standard form. So what if the given problem is already a vertex form? Y equals the quantity of x minus 1 squared minus 2. Convert to standard form. All you have to do is follow the 3 steps. Number 1, we have squared the first term. Number 2, multiply the first and second terms. And number 3, squared the second term. So let's follow. Focus on the given. We have y equals the quantity of x minus 1 squared minus 2. All you have to do is square the first term. So the first term is x, magiging x squared. Then copy the operation. We have minus. Multiply the first and second term. X times negative 1, magiging negative 1x. Times 2, magiging negative 2x. Understood? Then, what is the value of the last term? So, we have squared the last term. Negative 1 squared, magiging positive 1. Then, write open and close parentheses. Then, copy lang si minus 2. This one, remove the parentheses, magiging x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2. Then, combining like terms. X squared, since walang kapareho si x squared, bring down lang. Then, minus 2x, wala nang kapareho. Bring down lang si minus 2x kasi walang kapareho. Then, what is plus 1 minus 2 or positive 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2, we have negative 1. So this is now our final answer. We have y equals x squared minus 2x minus 1, which is the essence of standard form of the equation of a parabola. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a nice day.